Namaste, నేను మీ సీనియర్ న్యాయవాది సంపర్ నాగచంద్రుడు. Can we revoke a gifted? Many people having a doubt. Lot of asking a question that, sir, is there any possibilities to revoke that gifted? So friends, generally once a gifted has made by the donor, there is no option to revoke and cancel the gifted without consent of the donee. But once a gift has been made by the donor with force, fraud, misrepresentation, and coercion, then the donor has the right to cancel the gift deed within a period 3 years of limitation academic law.